Ay.
Ito pala yung i-record ko yung reaction niya sa video para naman makita nyo kung gaano siya kasaya.
Kasi kinuhanan ako ng sarap.
Kami bebe, kung gusto ba yung nanay mo?
Okay lang. Iiyak na.
Okay, ready ka na? Ready na?
Sige.
Ready na daw siya. Okay. Ay, hindi mo ako kilala pero kilala kita. Ako yung nagka-shout sa'yo nung one time nung nanalo ka ng jackpot. Happy birthday pala. Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Sana makapiling mo yung mga mahal mo sa buhay. Sige, see you na lang.
Hi Mercedes, happy birthday. I wish you the best in life.
Parang sa'yo naman
I
lahat yung
hope you
video.
stay pretty just like me. And I'll see you soon. Maybe I'll come over next week and maybe we can do stuff. Happy birthday, girl. Stay pretty.
Oh my God.
Mwah.
Hi Mercedes, happy birthday.
What the hell, di na may damay mo
Happy
pala.
birthday Mercedes. Papansin.
Mercedes.
Happy birthday Mercedes. From the cage.
Mercedes, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday Mercedes. Thank you for being a wonderful friend.
Ganon.
Hi. Happy birthday Mercedes.
Happy birthday, Mercedes. Enjoy.
God bless and wish you many more.
Ang ganda naman. Maiyak ako to.
Happy birthday, Mercedes! I'm glad I was able to make it. It was fun. I can join you more next time. Wish you a lot of birthday and all happiness and health. Okay, bye. Happy birthday again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Hey, Mercy, happy birthday to you. I wish you many good years of good health, prosperity, growth, and I want more grandkids.
One more, 2 more.
Hi, Mercy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mercy. Happy birthday to you. And many more.
Hi, Mercedes.
What the hell?
Happy
Dinamay mo pa si
birthday. I wish you all the best, good health, and more birthdays to come.
At the
Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Ano ginawa mo? Tinawagan
I
mo na.
said, happy birthday.
What the hell?
Stay
Inubos
healthy
mo lahat ng tao
and
sa mundo?
sexy.
Happy birthday sis. Enjoy mo yung birthday mo dyan. Sana makapunta kami next time naman. Punta kayo dito.
Punta kayo dito. Dito,
Enjoy your
bisita
day.
ulit.
Bye-bye.
Oo nga pala, nagsama tayo.
Hi girl, happy birthday.
Oh my God!
Have a good one and I pray that God will bless you abundantly and more birthdays to come. I pray for your good health and I hope to see you soon. We miss you.
Tagal na.
Day is at work. Love you. I miss you.
Bye, good night.
Good night.
Bye, good birthday.
Happy birthday, sis! Sino to? Ay, si Rose Ann. Hindi ko na nakilala.
Others, enjoy your day. God bless you. Ayan, so happiest birthday sis Mercy. Maraming salamat sa buhay mo. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa iyong pamilya. And I declare Jeremiah 29:11 in your life.
Meron Bible dito.
And baby Jesus.
Happy birthday, John. Oh my God, Bang, you did this?
Hello, my dear Mercedes.
Oh my God.
Today is your
Si Kuya,
day. So,
parang na-feel ko na.
enjoy your
Love
day.
you all.
Me. and
Ayoko na
Sir
mag-live.
Jesse wishing you a happy birthday. Si Sir Jesse, nahiya kasi bungi.
Yan yung suot niya kanina. Kanina pa yun,
Happy birthday again!
Happy birthday to you.
Ang tatlo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Kanina yan?
Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Aljon, say something.
Mers, happy birthday, Mers. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Ay, tulad ko. Happy birthday!
More birthdays to come. And no drinking, please. No pun intended.
Ano?
No drinking, please. Liver ko is still, it's still recovering.
Yeah, my liver is still intact and I want to stay it like that. My
Okay,
pachanga.
thank you.
Ikaw pa pala.
Hi, Mers. Happy birthday. Wish you all good health, okay? Take care, my granddaughter.
Ay, si granddaughter ang love niya.
We love you, okay? Take care. And happy birthday. Stay young.
Okay.
Thanks.
Hindi yan.
Happy birthday to you.
Ah, si Mary Jo.
Happy birthday
Blurred.
to you.
Ay, kung mahiyo pa.
Happy
Tignan mo.
birthday.
Oh, thank you. Lahat kinontak mo. Paano mo sinito?
Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay!
You go, girl.
Happy birthday, we love you, and see you soon. We're so excited to see you guys. Yay, congratulations for your birthday. Okay. Being a year older. Wow!
Para lang mag-tropa.
Happy birthday, we love you. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mercedes.
Ayoko na mag-celebrate bukas.
Happy birthday
Ginulo mo na lang niya sa bukas yan.
Mercedes.
Love you.
We are here
From Canada.
from Canada.
Wherever. Vancouver.
Talaga si Michael. Nasa cross, ginulo mo pa.
It's your birthday, but we still love you. We're gonna celebrate when we get back.
Oh, yeah, I know.
Bye.
October.
Happy birthday, Mars.
Ay!
Love you.
Ay!
Happy birthday to Mercedes. You're the best mother to me, Kate, and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Auntie Mercedes. I wish you a very happy birthday and
Cute.
good health for you and your whole family.
Ang galing mag-English. Good
have
out
fun.
of you.
Hi,
Love you.
Dear Mercedes.
Hindi ko na pa
Happy
ito
birthday,
ng
man.
regalo pala. Wait
Birthday
lang.
month, buddy. Don't drink too much.
Ay! Okay. Yung lagi yung comment sa akin, don't drink too much.
Birthday!
Yummy, what do you think?
Happy birthday, Leslie.
Happy birthday, Mars. Enjoy your birthday. Stay blessed, and we love you.
Love you.
Sweet. Ang sweet ng dalawa, sumakit ko
Thanks
yung
for being part of our life.
Yes.
Lasing ba yan?
And just always remember, we're here for you. You're the best mom for Mikay. We love your family.
It's all about Mars today. Have fun today. We love
Nasa work
you.
ako.
We'll see you later. We're gonna party later.
Yay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday again. Party time.
Kanina ba yan? Ay!
Hello, my dear
Ano nangyari sa
kapatid.
mata niyan?
Magsasunglass ako.
Anong nangyari sa mata niya?
Kasi nakakahiya sa mata ko may uso po dito sore eyes. Ay, din ako magpaligoy-ligoy. Happy birthday.
Anong nangyari sa mata niya? Hindi ko alam.
More blessing to come and always good health sa inyong sa pamilya mo. Lalo na ikaw. Palagi kang magdasal. At syempre sa kalusugan mo.
Dami mong
man yung mga
kinunta ka.
pagsubok na dumating sa buhay natin.
Kaya natin lampasan yan. Lahat naman tayo ay may problema. Kaya mo yan. Alam ko yan ni... ano kaya? No, hindi ba pati. Fight it kang pagkatao. Alam ko yan. Sa lahat ng kapatid. Lahat ating magkapatid, ikaw yung napaka-strong na tao.
Hindi ko.
Bilib nga ako sa'yo. Nakayanan mo lahat.
Strong na mo nga.
Ingat ka palagi ha. Enjoy your day. And araw mo ngayon. Ingat ka palagi kapatid. I love you and happy birthday. Bye!
Hello ma, happy birthday. Happy birthday pala sa maganda dyan, pinaka-sexy, pinaka-mabait at pinaka-masipag na mother sa buong mundo. Ang wish ko lang sa'yo ma, maging malusog ka, huwag kang magkasakit. Ingat ka lagi dyan ma. At stay pretty. Ito, happy birthday ulit ma, love you from your pogi and handsome.
Lutsyok! Oy, kuya mo yun. Yun lang?
Yeah, yung iba, nag-reply.
Pero